All right, the fan outside is spinning. 4 o'clock. What's our temperature? Oh, 45. We're definitely cold. Oh yeah, it's freezing now. 48. 45. So outside temperature is only 61 degrees. So this unit is working like a charm. Yay. Everything is great. Okay. $43. Let's check out the condenser outside. All right, the fan is spinning. We have 76 out here. I can feel the heat. The top is cold, and the bottom not that cold. 59 out in here, 40. All right, I think this is legit. We're gonna shut this down. So Aura, I cannot find anything on the internet how to install this thing. So far so good. Thanks for watching.